Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Altcoin Era and this is your boy Ahmed, and today we're going to look into the cryptoverse and we're going to see what's happening. It's exciting times and I can't wait to delve in. So let's begin. Kraken has run out of BTC, ladies and gentlemen. Kraken has run out of BTC. If you go to the app, some customers are not able to buy BTC. There's a massive supply shock in BTC. People cannot fathom or account how big this ETF news is. We don't have enough BTC in exchanges, nor is there enough BTC being mined. Therefore, we have this scenario. Again, another app that does not have BTC. We currently don't have any BTC currently available for sale. This is what they're saying to customers. This is what they're saying to customers. They do not have enough BTC. Coinbase, ladies and gentlemen, has gone down. BTC is running out on Coinbase. Also on Binance, there's a mysterious wallet that is buying 100 BTC every single day. As you can see here, on the 27th of February, 100. 27th of February again, 100. 28th, 100 BTC. 28th, 100 BTC. 28th again at 8:30, at 8:23 a.m. 100 BTC. Again, 100. He just keeps buying. This wallet keeps buying and buying and buying and buying. And in my personal opinion, I believe it's a country that is buying this as a hedge against the debasement of their fiat currency. It now holds 51,164 BTC, a whopping 3.1 billion in just a month. BTC, gentlemen, on the pound sterling is now 52,595 pound and 37 pence. It's managed to break its all-time new high now. Its previous all-time new high was 48,005 pence. As you can see here, it's made an all-time new high. We have now made an all-time new high in the pound sterling. Also, we've made an all-time new high in another currency. This is the euro, and we have made an all-time new high in the euro, ladies and gentlemen. It's currently 61,238 euros and 30 cents. And do you know what's so ironic, ladies and gentlemen? Look at the ECB. This is the European Central Bank website, the official website. ETF approval for Bitcoin, the naked emperor's new clothes. Now, let me show you something. And I'll go here and let me just zoom in and show you closely. This is just literally on the 22nd of February. Yeah, this is 22nd of February, and they've said, we disagree with both claims and reiterate that the fair value of Bitcoin is still zero. It's still zero, ladies and gentlemen. And today we've made all-time new highs. This is the order book on Binance, ladies and gentlemen. And they only have 171 Bitcoin at 64,000 US dollars. That's the only sell pressure left. Honestly, at this rate, exchanges are going to give IOUs. And IOUs are basically receipts of BTC. At this rate, where the demand is exceeding supply, I think exchanges will just give synthetic BTC because there's literally less and less available on exchanges. I won't be surprised, to be fair. Now this is Google Trends, and let's look for how to buy Bitcoin. Explore. As you can see, this is United Kingdom, and let's use United States, and let's check past 12 months. As you can see, retail is still not here. They're getting closer. There is a spike, and we are getting closer. Now let's check the United Kingdom. Let's check the United Kingdom in the past 12 months. It is rising and people are searching for this trend. Retail is very, very close, and we are literally around the corner. Altcoin season is about to begin. This is altcoins, and we are just about to, this is the 12 months. Let's check the 5-year. This is the 5-year. Retail is still lagging behind. This is worldwide. Let's try the United States. Let's try that and let's see what happens. Yep, retail is on its way, ladies and gentlemen. It's on its way. United Kingdom, let's try that. Altcoin season is just around the corner, ladies and gentlemen. Let me zoom in so you can see. Altcoin season is just around the corner, ladies and gentlemen. BTC dominance, we've talked about this many times. We've made all-time new highs and yet local all-time new highs, and we haven't broken out yet, fully broken out. The highest we got to BTC dominance was 55.25%. We are currently at 54.59%. This is the best accumulation range of a lifetime, ladies and gentlemen, in alts. If you're in alts, this is the best time to buy. Literally, you will never ever see this again. You will never ever see prices this low in altcoins ever again. This is the ideal and the best time to buy, ladies and gentlemen. If this is the first time you've ever been on the channel, ladies and gentlemen, my name's Ahmed. I've been here many times, and you're going to receive a lot of alpha chart of all the sectors. You have meme coins, you have AI, you have dexes, you have, these are all the categories at the moment. And the best performing category right now that has the biggest bounce right now at this moment and this week is AI and meme coins. It's meme coin season, and unfortunately or fortunately, whichever place you stand, meme coins are rallying and they are pumping massively. However, other altcoins are lagging behind, but they will have their time to shine, ladies and gentlemen. Each cycle is different. There's a infamous wallet at the moment, and it bought Pepe at $27, and he turned $27 into 4 million. He's still holding, or she's still holding, and now the wallet is worth 14 million US dollars. Some more honorable mentions. There's a trader who spent 5.2 Sol, which was at that time $310, to buy 2.5 million dog with cat, and now it's currently 4.1 million US dollars. He's starting to take profits and currently holds 2.9 million left. His total profits is a whopping 4.12 million US dollars. He made 13,000x. He started with $310 and flipped it to 4 million profit. Some of my private members are trading Flocky. I did make a call to some of my private members and I told them to buy Flocky. Flocky has gone up a whopping 400%, and I believe that this is definitely a trade. Flocky is here to stay, and I think it's got the momentum. Definitely a contender to Doge. As you can see, this is the BTC chart on Binance, and we are up a whopping 66,400. This is the BTC chart on Binance. This is the weekly chart, and we are at a whopping price currently at $66,493. Congratulations to everyone that weathered the storm. I just want to remind everyone that there are a lot of people that didn't survive this bear market. Unfortunately, a lot of folks did not survive. Out of 99 people, maybe one of them stayed and survived. Also, a moment of silence for those projects that never came back again. There's many projects that will never ever come back again, that will never ever do all-time highs. So a moment of silence to them. You have to remember, not all of us are going to make it. There's going to be some that do not make it. You better believe, out of one person who survived the bear market, there's probably hundreds of upon hundreds of people that never survived and never returned. So count yourself lucky. I want to show you a very interesting tweet. The time it took BTC to double after previous breaks of all-time high. The first was December 2020. It took 18 days. March 2017, it took 84 days. November 2013, it took 10 days. March 2013, it took 18 days. So let's get the average between this. So 18 plus 84 plus 10 plus 13 will equal 125 days. Divide that by 4, 31 days, ladies and gentlemen. So on average, it will take us 31 days to double the price of BTC. So a 50% increase will take us to 100K, ladies and gentlemen. On average, 31 days. This is only dubious speculation. Don't take this to the bank. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is the BTC futures contract on Binance. It's already got to 69,000. Bear in mind, currently BTC is at $67,491. BTC is currently at $67,329.63. It's up a whopping 7.26%. Ethereum is at $3,593.43. It's up 3.58%. Tether is still at $1, still pegged to the dollar. BNB is currently at $416.71. It's up 0.7%. Solana is at $129.64. It's currently down 0.50%. XRP is at 65 cents and it's up a whopping 4.43%. ADA is at 77 cents and is up a whopping 6.98%. Dogecoin is currently at 17 cents and is up a whopping 14.84%. Shiba Inu is currently at 0.00003387. It's currently up a whopping, a staggering 53.64%, ladies and gentlemen. At this rate, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu might get to the top 5. Avalanche is currently at $42.60. It's currently up 0.16%. Tron is at 14 cents and it's down 0.31%. Chainlink is at $20.39 and it's down 0.85%. Finally, Matic, $1.14. It's up a whopping 5.86%. As you can see here, literally everything is green. Massive green day. However, alts are lagging behind BTC. BTC is currently sucking all the liquidity. The only two categories that are doing very well is BTC, AI, and meme coins. The biggest gainers in the top 100 is number 1, Bonk, and is up a whopping 63.63%. Number 2 is Sheeb, and it's up a whopping 55.85%. And number 3 is eCash, and is up 45.59%. Closely followed by the notorious and infamous Pepe. It's currently up 35.5%. The top losers in the top 100, number 1 goes to Excella, and it's down 10.71%. Number 2 is Woo, and it's down 8.90%. And number 3 is Arweave, and it's currently down 5.75%. The biggest gainers in the whole of the crypto space, number 1 is Felix, and it's up a whopping 491%. Number 2 is MAGA, and it's up a whopping 436%. And number 3 is Meme Mint, and is up a whopping 379%. BTC price targets. Now, as you can see, it broke past almost all of my targets, and now we're heading to the penultimate target, which is between $68,000 US and $69,000 US. So this is my next target. It needs to get to this range here. This range is very, very important. There's going to be some selling pressure here. And then I want to see a confirmation candle just above the previous all-time high, which was exactly on Binance, $69,147. Once I see a confirmation, then we can go on higher and further. Now, I have had a few questions from the community asking about RSIs. RSIs are a lagging indicator. They can show overbought and oversold for many, many weeks, many, many months, and even years. Therefore, I don't really concentrate too much on RSIs. I am expecting a pullback, but the pullback right now is not apparent. So what do we do next? The next step is we're gonna break the all-time new high. My target for the upside is $70,000 US, and then after that it's at $80,000 US, and then it's at $100,000 US. Retail is coming back into the space, but ETFs have so much demand for BTC at the moment. You got to understand, institutions didn't have anything viable or tangible to play around with BTC. They weren't able to buy BTC. This is one of the moments where they can buy this BTC and they can sell it to institutions. I think a lot of people did not take into account the bullishness of this ETF. A lot of people have been sidelined. There's so much money on the sidelines. Let me show you the USDT dominance. So many people have been still sitting on the sidelines. Look at this. There's so many people still sitting on the sidelines, still holding stable coins. I think the USDT dominance is going to head back down. We're going to head back down, and there are so many people, like I said, sitting on the sidelines, still waiting to buy. They're still thinking we're going to get lower prices, and unfortunately, they have all been sidelined. It is imperative that we break past this all-time high with conviction. We haven't broken this all-time high for how long now? Let me check from here all the way to here. How many bars is that? 121 bars. So 121 months. We haven't broken the all-time new high. So this is very, very important and imperative that we break all-time new highs with a confirmation signal. And what is a confirmation signal? It's very, very simple. We need a candle to hold above the all-time new high. We need at least 4 or 5 days to hold above the all-time new high. Ideally, I'm looking for 7 days to hold above the all-time new high to get my confirmation. Ethereum price targets currently at $3,588. It's up 2.89%. As I said before, clear skies ahead. Previously, we formed a bull flag and we headed up higher. Now we're just above my resistance of 3,500. We need to hold above 3,500 to get to my next target, which is 39,000, 4,000 ideally. And it's not rocket science to find out what's going to happen next. Let me show you. Let me get rid of this and let me give you the weekly. So it's not rocket science what we're going to do next, to be fair. 38%, ladies and gentlemen, to all-time new high. We're heading to, in the near future, $5,000 US for one Ethereum. BTC dominance is currently at 54.75. It's moving sideways, yet BTC is going higher and higher, and this is moving sideways, which means, in my opinion, we have topped out. But unfortunately, liquidity is getting sucked into BTC and alts are not performing. The only thing performing in your portfolio right now is probably meme coins. Anything else is still in struggle street. So this is the best time to buy alts. In my opinion, the very, very best time. You won't get any better. This is an accumulation of a lifetime, ladies and gentlemen. Your future you will thank you for what you've done today. Ethereum BTC chart, it still hasn't broken this massive support. What I'm looking for is a consolidation between this support and this resistance. And then finally, we almost broke out the first time. As you can see here, we almost broke out. And now, hopefully, we're going to break out. And then BTC is going to bleed against Ethereum and bleed against alts. Solana, price targets, currently at $129.27. It's down 0.94%. As you can see here, we broke past my resistance. And as we broke past my resistance, we consolidated just above my support. Resistance has now turned into support. Now we're heading to my next target, which is $140. And it's not rocket science what's about to happen next. As you can see, let me show you on the weekly. We are close to all-time new highs, ladies and gentlemen. We are literally 82% away from all-time new highs. And this is phenomenal. Solana has done the impossible. It was once a staggering $8. And now it's at a staggering price of $129. So congratulations to everyone that held Solana. All of this downturn, everyone was running away from Solana. And now the tourists are back. ADA price targets currently at 77 cents. We broke past all of my resistance. We made a bump and run technique. As you can see right here, we broke past all of my resistance. This graph, this chart looks really healthy and really good. Now we've broken past my previous resistance, which was at 74 cents. We need to hold above 74 cents to continue this bullish trajectory. Now, as you can see here, we need to hold above 74 cents. Once we do this, my next target is at 85 cents, and then it's at 97 cents, and then ultimately it's at $1 mark. We're still a very long way away from the previous all-time high. We need to go up a whopping 300%. Now bear in mind, Solana is very close to the all-time high. So imagine ADA is like buying Solana at $20. So let me repeat that again. ADA is like buying Solana at $20. Now, as you can see, that's a 300% increase. ADA right now, as of today, is like buying Solana at $20. Blur price targets currently at 68 cents, and it's actually down 3.93%. As you can see, it hit my trend line multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now it's hit my trend line once again. And every time we hit this trend line, we normally go up. And I believe we're going to go up further and higher. And I've put a cheeky long on this position, and we'll see how that turns out. 3, and this is excluding BTC and ETH. As you can see, we made another weekly candle. I'm just waiting for Sunday for a confirmation. Our next target is at 838 billion US dollars, and then hopefully we can get to the all-time new high of 1.13 trillion. I doubt it's going to happen in the next couple of days, but knowing crypto, these moves are very possible and very quick and rapid. Total market cap excluding BTC, ETH, and the top 10. As you can see here, this was the brutal bear market where a lot of people never survived and never came back, unfortunately. And then we had a period of consolidation. We have a period right here of the retest mark, and now we're into a bull market. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in a bull market, and we are currently 51% away from all-time new highs, ladies and gentlemen. we're 51% away from all-time new highs. Now I want to show you something interesting. So this is the BTC. As you can see, we made a low, a final low, and then we made a higher low, and we have continued to make higher lows. As you can see right here, we're making higher lows after higher lows after higher lows, followed by higher highs. So basically what I'm trying to explain is BTC is bleeding against others. And last but not least, we have mint layer, struggling mint layer. At the moment, it's just moving sideways. It's currently at 60 cents. I think we're going to consolidate for some time. Once mint layer wakes up and comes back to life, I can easily see this get to $1 and then get to $2 and ultimately $3. But for now, it's struggling in struggle street. Liquidity is getting sucked by BTC, but once the tables turn, alts suck the liquidity from BTC. Mint layer is going to do very well. Mark my words. Stacks, mint layer is going to be the beta play to a coin called Stacks. As you can see here, Stacks is currently at all-time new highs. People are going to take their profits from Stacks because these are mainly BTC maxis. They're going to take their profits and they're going to put it into other Bitcoin DeFi narratives, and mint layer is going to be one of them. Anyway guys, that's it for now. This is your boy Ahmed. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and if you like it, make sure you share. And follow me on my socials. I'm on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. Follow me and find more content. This is your boy Ahmed from Altcoin Era. Wherever you are, good morning, good evening, good night. Peace.